Girls gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death's construction. In the fields of bodies burning, as the war machine.
Welcome back, you lot. Fucking quad dominant day. Alrighty. 120, baby. We got this shit. Easy. Might have to make this bigger, actually, the belt. God damn, I didn't even think about that, but, you know, let's do it. I changed the shit, but I'm gonna keep going. Nah. My body calling quits on me already. Man, fuck. Looks like I might have to go to 100s instead today. But yeah, really firing up the glutes for some reason. I don't know how that occurred, but that's happening. And I mean, it was an alright set. I might end up, yeah, I'm just gonna go way harder on the final set that I've kind of been doing. If you know, you know. But yeah, other than that, it's alright. 20 kilos is off. Fucking gotta make sure that, you know, I'm not injuring myself insanely, but you know, sometimes it's just, I don't know, I go into these squats like, okay, I can do this, and then as soon as this shit twinges, which seems to be happening lately, I might have to even loosen the belt. I might loosen the belt on Wednesday and see how that goes for me, because with the bulk, I'm telling you, we've just gone shitloads more fatter. Like, we're at almost 90 kilos now, and it's only been like a month, man, so going real goddamn hard on this bulk. So I might even like main gain for like 2 months or something, just so I'm really just focusing on strength a bit. And I reckon that's when I'm really gonna focus on like the ego lift side of this shit, man, powerlift style. But at the minute, I'm just thinking, you know what, let's just go easy on myself for now, especially after like twinging that shit in the, I don't know where it is, pretty much my hip, I'd like to say. But yeah, I don't want to go too crazy, so I'm going to keep it at 100 for the rest of the sets, and then, you know, the drop set for the final one. You guys already know what's happening. Without further ado, let's hit this goddamn squat so I can go home and play Lego Fortnite quicker. Sweet. That's what I like to say. Fuck. Whew. That's a good, hard fucking set, man. Shit. Damn. I started to notice my leg's kind of wobbly, like the left one. Don't know why it is, but just something I picked up on then. And that could be the reason I'm twinging my shit. So, yeah, just a little observation. Might have to give it a personal study. And that's pretty alright. Shit. Alright, I'm gonna do this drop set shit that I've come across because I fucking love it, man. So we're gonna go from 100, mild discomfort, we're gonna slap on the 10s, take off the 20s, mild discomfort, 60s, full send. I reckon that's the go today, instead of, you know, going from 120 all the way down to 60. Just so I'm getting 3 sets. Alright. Alright. 2 more. Whoa. Cool on that because I'm feeling my left leg twitch out. That's what I'm not keen on fucking up, man. Yeah. Whew. Shit. Whew. Damn. Fuck, come on. Have 60s, baby. Come on. Shit. Could this be the cure to male loneliness? Yeah. Fuck. Fuck. That's what you need, man. That shit fucks me up. Real good. That's real failure, baby. Fuck. Alright, leg curl machine. It's available, but there was someone on it while, you know, I was setting this bad boy up, and setting up 7 plates each side ain't fucking easy to do all by yourself. Just very time consuming, so we're stuck on this bad boy for today because 1, ego lift is fun, and 2, that reason that I just mentioned before. But definitely 2. Oh well, fucking, let's see how this goes, man. Yeah, you know what's about to fucking happen. We about to fucking lift some heavy ass weight. Damn, that's fucked. Wish I could add more plates on, but this is a full stack for what this thing's gonna allow me to do. So, fuck. Alright, set. Let's hope we can keep on fucking fatiguing the hamstrings out, because I'm definitely feeling a good hamstring pump coming along. Fuck. Whew. 7 plates, so you can see that I'm not bullshitting you. But yeah, man, we gotta get absolutely fucking hammered by this shit. Whew. And no long ass waiting periods, because I don't want to, you know, lose the pump. Damn, that's the minced beef and rice. Speaking of which, I got to get some more on the way back home. Damn. Shit. That's definitely fatiguing, man. Far out. Some good ass shit. Fist bump. Bro, I just pressed record before I even like put on the shit to film. Feeling a bit of a silly goose at the minute. Yeah, man. This shit's real good for me, so 2 more sets of this bad boy. And I think we're all done for the hamstrings, man. Or I might do one and just really go to lightweight, finish up on the hamstring curl maybe. I don't know. I think I might go for that hamstring curl option, man. Just to really get a good final pump. But we'll see how that goes. Alright. Fuck. Damn, I stopped it there because what I've got, right, I've got an underbite in my teeth and I'm just making sure I haven't chipped anything in my teeth, bro. I went that goddamn crazy on the set that I actually managed to chip a little bit of the filling that I've had in my front teeth. Because as a kid, I smashed my front 2 teeth, like part of them both, like in the middle, like a semicircle kind of thing. And I heard like a snap kind of sound. And it's not the first time I've done it either. So I stopped it there, regardless of the pump or whatever. But damn, man, that's crazy seeing that I'm going as far as to breaking my teeth in order to chase a pump. That's crazy. I don't know how far you guys are gonna go, but I'm setting the bar high. Damn. Alright. That's a crazy set regardless. Fuck. Might need like some shit to like bite my jaw onto, bro. It's fucking crazy that, you know, I'm still in shock about chipping my teeth. I went to go check in the bathroom mirror just before, and it doesn't seem like I've really done anything. So it's definitely like occurred at the back of my teeth, because I do have an overbite. If you guys have noticed, I do have an overbite, so yeah, it could have just been like the back of one of my top teeth or the bottom, I don't know, but I heard the little snap sound. It's like almost like a chip, like a potato chip. You know, you chuck it in your gob, and then that like crunch kind of sound. same like kind of hardness effect to it. I don't know, like a corn chip. Yeah, that makes more sense. Better analogy. I don't know how to better describe it than that. Or, oh yeah, let's just keep it at that, man. Before I keep on really trying to get the adjectives all right and everything. But you get what I mean. Final fucking set, and then we're on to some goddamn quads, baby. Whew. I'm calling it that, man. That's perfect. Fuck. Damn. Really got me screaming. I don't wanna pass out either, bro. I'm not in the mindset to pass out on a lift, especially this one. Because I don't wanna, I mean, if I was doing deadlifts, I reckon it would be a bit more safer than passing out on this, being crushed by 240 kilos. If you kind of get my gist, you know that 240 kilos, I could probably break my fucking legs, whereas a deadlift, you know, I've seen the videos of people like falling back or whatever. You know, I think that's a lot more safer. Well, I mean, in context of you not hitting your head on the floor, then I definitely reckon that's a lot more safer than, you know, passing out on one of these bad boys being pretty much crushed. But anyhow, that's gonna be it for the hamstrings. And let's do some fucking quads, baby. Fuck. Whew. Perfect. Let's get a scream going, baby. Before we do some leg extensions. Damn, I don't want to check out the pump yet. Or else, you know, I'm gonna be ruining it for you guys later. Alright, fuck. Go. Little. No, not 140. 60. Yeah, 120. I'm the bad boy. I'm trying to make sure I'm right. Yeah, 60, 60, 120, easy. There you go. How about it? Might see how we go for this set, and then I think I was doing 140 last time, but I don't want to be overconfident, you know, ego lift, where like, you know, I clearly can't fucking lift it, so we'll give these bad boys a run for their money, and yeah, we're definitely gonna go through fucking hell and back. I did it. Fuck. Damn. That's good. Definitely gonna go up. That's some good shit though. Fuck. Sorry, Alright, out of 10s each side, baby. Whew. We're gonna get fucked. Damn, it's gonna be fun. Taking the goddamn 140 for a spin, I think. Yeah, 140. Alright, man. I am so close to, you know, it's so over type mentality. God, bro. Let's fucking hit this shit. Got the Tom Platz edit going on. Doesn't, you know, as I was talking about last time we were on here, man, I'm not, funnily enough, I'm not like emotionally tapped in today. It's just fucking hype music for once. Cause yeah, I came in at like an earlier time and I had an energy drink in the pre. And bro, I was off my nut. I'm like, damn, I could fucking, you know, I could be like fucking Sisyphus, I don't know, whatever his name is, pushing the boulders. You know what I'm talking about. But at the end of the day, man, fuck, I'm keen to lift this fucking weight, scream a little, get a pump. That's every fucking leg day for you, regardless. No, I'm gonna take that. I went for my mate Kai. He put me onto like this constant tension fucking shit. And I tried it out for like the final reps on that. So I'm not gonna be bothered by that 6 rep range on the 140s. I'm actually gonna keep at that, but keep constant tension the whole way through for the next 2 sets. Because man, I feel that a lot better than what I was doing before, locking out at the top and locking out at the bottom. But I mean, I'll see how the next set goes, properly trying that the whole way through, instead of just fucking triggering my mind midway through the set, like I normally do, and then see if I need to take off the 10s. But other than that, still a good set. Fuck. Damn. That's alright. Final set, I'm definitely taking off those 10s. I definitely feel like I can get a real good fucking pump if I just go all out on that final set. And then, yeah, we'll go into the leg extensions since no one's been on that for a fair bit. Fuck, other than that, phenomenal set. Ugh. That's some good shit. Fuck. Nothing beats it. Definitely adding that more to the regime of things. But yeah, that's pretty good. Real burnt out from that. Alright. 117 because I don't know how my legs are gonna go with the whole entire leg. I can never remember it. Bloody hack squats. So Gonna go lighter, see how it feels. And, you know, go higher or lower depending on where I'm at. On that, I think this should be it for the quads. All right. Yeah, that's perfect, man. 117 seems to be the go for today. Fuck. Perfect. Got the Ronnie Coleman edit going. Lightweight, baby. Let's hit this set, goddammit. Fuck. That's crazy. Gotta love power, man. Nothing better than that. Goddamn feeling. Going for that final rep and failing. Whew. Good shit. Damn. Whew. I'm leaving the someone cooked it kind of vibe to the leg extensions, man. I'm sweating like crazy. Got 2 more goddamn sets. I got stuck on the TikTok stuff. You know, when your friends send you all the TikToks during the sesh. And I end up binge watching them because I'm just so fatigued, bro. But I cannot wait for this goddamn pump check. Fuck, let's hit this shit. That's really exhausting, man. We got one more. And we're done. There we go, man. Final goddamn set. Let's get goddamn with it. Fuck. I am so fucked, bro. I don't want to do this to myself. But oh well. I guess we just have to thug it out. Good. Let's hit it. No, I can't go further than that, man. I feel fucked. Oh well, that's gonna be that for today. Let's check out the goddamn pump. Fuck, I should be perfect. Take off my goddamn headphones too because I don't want to be talking over myself a little bit, competing with the music in my head. But yeah, let's check out this goddamn pump. I've gotten a lot more confident, you know, being out here, and that's mainly because like there's not many people around in like this like little space at the minute, let alone people in the gym at all. So I don't mind, you know, like posing in front of like 2 or so odd people, but if it's like a full crowd of people, then yeah, I'll go into like the bathrooms instead. But anyhow, this hasn't been the pump, this is me explaining being a soy boy. Oh well, let's check this shit out. Fuck. Fucking bam. Don't know if you can fucking see anything special with that, but I definitely cannot, as the fat is definitely getting to it. Whereas this shit here, I'm definitely like seeing some weird shit go along here. And this shit here is like that almost. And that's real nice to look at. Fucking one of these bad boys. Fucking Mr. Olympia type shit. Boom. Fucking, I love my quad stomp. Just fucking feels so good. Anyhow, let's do some fucking, it's not bad. Got old hamstrings. Looking pretty big as always. Hold up. It's alright, I reckon. I don't know about you guys, but it seems to be, my legs are pretty good. And I don't know if I ever give you guys any calf checks, but I've definitely seen the calves better pumped. Like that side's definitely looking real good. A lot of definition going on, considering the fact that we're on the bulk. But yeah, back to what I was saying earlier about the main gaining kind of thing. Because the way that I'm kind of seeing it is that my body's just put on shitloads of fat during the whole entire bulk so far compared to like muscle mass necessarily. And I mean, like, yeah, muscle mass doesn't necessarily mean too much in strength, but it should, you know, somewhat assist it. And like, yeah, rep ranges have been going pretty all right. Like 90 on the bench is going pretty well, like 2 reps or something on like 2 different sets. You know, going for like 105 the same day, all that kind of stuff. Really putting a lot of that into perspective. So endurance-wise, I'm definitely doing pretty good. However, like strength and shit, nothing really has changed. So to kind of, you know, assist myself a little, I'm gonna probably stagnate myself. And I guess you could argue, oh, you're limiting yourself to gains, when I'm saying that I might stick to like a body weight for like a certain period of time, depending on like whenever, like I'm just gonna end up eating the regular breakfast that I've got at the minute, just a protein shake, and then like my meat and rice kind of meal, and then whatever mum makes for dinner kind of thing, and just kind of have like an average body weight for like a certain period of time, because I want to have a goal where I'm able to probably lift 20 kilos more on the PRs than yeah, I'd say whatever I'm lifting at the minute. So like say the 100 kilo bench, 120, 100 and, yeah, I don't know what the squat is, but let's just say that it's 120 because that's what I'm repping out. Make that 140. You know, that's kind of what I want to go for. So with that like in mind, you know, I'm just gonna keep it like a certain body weight and theorize to myself that, okay, I'm allowing myself to build more like body mass underneath, kind of like a chameleon shedding skin almost, you know, just sleeper build type shit. Like, so underneath, build all this muscle mass under the fat and try and burn as much fat as possible. Pretty much like cutting in disguise, I guess you could say, to some sort of extent. I don't know if like the theory I've got in mind is actually correct at all, but I mean, hey, it's worth giving shit a try. And I'm not fucking, you know, like studying this shit properly yet. That's next year, buddy. And I haven't I haven't talked to anyone about it, so yeah, like, you know, I've got like some PT guy that's been, you know, doing it for 10 years, and I'm definitely gonna take his advice over, you know, my own. But anyhow, yeah, fucking Lego Fortnite, I'm telling you, bro, real good shit. Just playing that for like a couple of hours today, and then had to go out and get myself a bad Santa present for a work function and all that. So I've had quite the day, and then legs to finish it off. But yeah, man, I don't know about you lot, but I've got 2 things in mind: editing the videos, Lego Fortnite, eating, sleeping, and growing, man. Other than that, I don't have much else to say other than, you know, fucking, you do you, bro. I'm gonna go train calves and shit as well. I forgot to, you know, I forgot to also hit forearms yesterday too, so I'm a bit disappointed in that. I'm not gonna do them today, but yeah, definitely a next week kind of issue. I'll save that for Tuesday. But anyhow, hip abductors, calves, adductors, and I reckon I should be all right. That's me done for today. See you guys next time. See ya.